Hey there, welcome. This video describes how you can manage your SMS messages in TextPeak. We will show you how to view your incoming and outgoing messages, find the needed ones by applying filters, and download them as a file. In the Messages section of the main menu, you can see a table listing all the messages that have been sent within your campaigns or streams, as well as incoming messages. Above the table, the total number of messages is shown. To find the needed messages, apply the suggested filters. For example, select a campaign and date and click Search. The table on the Campaigns tab contains all the details about outgoing messages sent in your SMS campaigns: the campaign, the sender ID, message recipient, status, whether the link was opened, price, and when the message was sent. If you send a long SMS, the system will cut it into parts, as you can see in the message length column. However, the subscriber will get it as one message. By hovering over the link in the Messages column, you will see the message's text. The Streams API tab stores all outgoing SMS messages sent via your streams. Apply filters to search them by phone number, stream, date, or status. Similarly to campaigns, you can find message details and costs in the table. The message content is shown right away. And here is the Quick Send feature to generate an SMS via Streams API. Click Send New Message in the top right. Select a stream and a sender ID. Enter the subscriber's phone number and message content, and send your message. On the Incoming tab, you can view messages received in inbound and outbound campaigns. It shows the phone number of the subscriber who sent the message, the sender ID, the response text, and the time when it was received. To reply, click Open Chat and History, and a side panel will load on the right. Click Continue Conversation, enter your message, and send it. Additionally, you can download messages as a CSV file. Select them and click Export Selected above the table. The messages will be downloaded to your device. If the download takes longer than 5 seconds, a notification will pop up saying that you will find the exported items in the Tasks section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.